Look at this, guys. Look at that, man. These things really, they really do glow in the dark. Alright guys, we're back with another one. Are you sick of tangled cables? We've got you covered. This is Zipbuds. These are the earphones you've been looking for. Zipped up earbuds. So if you sick and tired of having all your cables in your bag, just like me, all bunched up, tangled up, and you need something that's clean, you could just put it in your purse, put it in your bag, put it in your pocket. Zipbuds. This is Juiced 2.0. These are glow in the dark. So when you're searching in your bag, hey, they should be glowing and waiting for you. So let's get right into this. Okay, it says hashtag live tangle free. So let's get straight into this and let's check this out. Well, I know I ordered the green, but anyway, we'll go with what we have. So here's the gel tips for your ears, and here's the headphones themselves. So pretty nice packaging for a simple earbud. Here they go. And yeah, so you have a cable, a braided cable at the bottom. 3.5mm jack, braided cable that goes straight into a zipped cable. This might be the headphones that'll solve your problems. All the way zipped up to the neck. This is hot. So let's see. Yeah, man. I mean, you know, the things that people think of, you always say to yourself, why I didn't think of that? This is not bad. So you could pretty much zip it up to how you want it. And it feels like a zipper. So you have the Z right there. That's the logo of Zipbuds. Look pretty good. Look pretty premium. They look good. These are really nice, man. So we gotta take a look and see how these look. Look at this, guys. Look at that, man. These things really, they really do glow in the dark, and they do look green. This is hot. This is, so you definitely gotta charge it up by the light, but they work. So let's take a listen on how they sound. What I'm gonna use for this test is the LG V10. So let's take a listen on how these headphones sound. Alright guys, so man, these earphones packing a punch, man. The Zipbuds really sound good. They look good. They glow in the dark. They got this zipper action going on here. Zipbuds branding right there. Look at this, man. I hope this ain't a zipper that messes up, but for right now it's working. These headphones sound good, look good, they're innovative, they're different. Braided cable. It's definitely, if you want something different, I definitely recommend these without no hesitation. They sound good, they look good. These are some really nice headphones. So pretty much with that, these are the unboxing and I guess a slash review of the Zipbuds, the Juice 2.0, and they glow in the dark. So pretty much with that, guys, in the next one. These are hot.